Hey, kids! I am Pink Bob, your best friend. Come and have fun with me.
Hey kids, let's learn about action words today.
I am running.
I am jumping. I am jumping. I am jumping.
I am walking.
I am dancing. I am singing. La la.
I am reading.
I am writing.
I am eating. I am drinking. I am sleeping.
I am sitting. I am standing.
I am angry.
I am clapping.
I am swimming.
I am laughing.
I am crying.
I am smiling. I am waving. I am kicking.
I am throwing.
I am catching. I am pushing. I am riding. I am pulling.
I am closing.
I am opening. I am crawling. I am washing. I am cooking. I am drawing. I am skipping. I am flying. I am lifting. I am digging. I am coloring. I am playing. I am cleaning. I am brushing.
Hope you enjoyed watching. See you next time.
Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos.